mo kami na may pilik mata.
Hey you! Weather change giving you a scratchy throat? Take Strepsils! Strepsils has a powerful formula that can quickly soothe throat irritation. Strepsils for a dry, itchy, raspy, scratchy throat.
When overeating leads to heartburn and indigestion, take Gaviscon Double Action. It neutralizes excess stomach acid and forms a protective layer in your stomach. Gaviscon Double Action, dual relief from heartburn and indigestion.
After all that damage, Pantene 3-Minute Miracle Conditioner repaired hair from deep within. Pantene.
Now at 5 pesos.
Kalkula, 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 kalkula.
Ginang kalkulada, nakalkulan niya. Ang lahat ng lilinisin niya. Ang kailangan 2 sachet na 10 piso lang.
2 sachets for 10 pesos, okay sa linis araw-araw.
Gulat ka? Isang Tide 6 pesos lang. Mas malinis pa.
Mas sulit ang isang Tide kaysa dalawa ng iba.
Kapatian na hindi makalkulan.
Tide, kulat ka sa linis, kulat ka sa sulit.
KFC's fresh hand-breaded chicken chops with a sweet soy glaze. May new teriyaki flavor chops, 50 lang.
Uy, sila yun! Load tayo! Sige, girl, tara! Huh?
Miss, libre na kita. Kuya, si Sila yun.
Pampakilig ba? For 20 pesos, mag-New Cornetto Rocky Road ka na. Chocolate ice cream with nuts, marshmallows, and a crunchy chocolate tip. New Cornetto Rocky Road. Hilig to the cone.
Ang Maxipil may zero. Maxipil Zero. May micro-exfoliants at skin vitamins for beautifully renewed skin. Oo, I think yan ang pwedeng kulang sa ordinary cleanser mo. Try mo. Maxipil Zero.
Ang Nissin Cup Noodles, ang sarap kasama sa lahat ng gustong gawin at pinapangarap na abutin. Kaya kahit saan, kahit kailan, may kapartner kang maaasahan. Gawang Nissin, sarap Nissin.
New Rejoice Featherlight Smooth. Ang smooth sa umpisa, madalas nagiging oily. Ngayon, gaan smooth hair na feather smooth to the tips. Ito ang Rejoice Smooth. Feathery. Light. Smooth. Rejoice.
Ang sinampay sa bahay, pag di natuyo, bumabaho. Use Downy! Mas mabilis matuyo ang labada. Kaya tanggal ang baho at pahurap ang bango. Mag-boom boom pow with Downy!
When you love something, nahanap-hanapin mo. Ganyan ang feeling ko every time with Great Taste White. That smooth and creamy taste. Favorite ko talaga. Great Taste White. The one that makes white coffee great.
Love-hate ni Gemma ang kanyang bulalo.
Alam ko ang bulalo kasi masayang-masaya sila kumakain ng bulalo. Pero hate ko dahil sa matinding sebo. Kailangan ko pang kuskusin.
Gemma, para sa matinding sebo, may bago akong technique. Purong joy. Hop! Huwag ihalo sa tubig. Ipatak, diretso sa sponge. Para easy tanggal ang matinding sebo.
Wow! Ang galing! Malinis.
Oo. Love-hate pa rin?
Pure love na.
Puro patak! Bisang karutak! Ano sinasabi?
Love din daw niya ako.
We've all held amazing things in our hands. Those we trust, love, and the life we create. Grab it. Reach for it. Hold on to it. Because the germ-free world starts with your hands. Let's create a germ-free world. Biogenic alcohol.
Chocolate. Well-baked ang crackers with 7 crunchy layers and delicious chocolate cream.
Wow! Malkis Chocolate Delicious.
Crunchy! Pusog sarap. Try natin ang Malkis Chocolate. So crunchy with real chocolate.
Inaasa ka na naman na may bacon taste ang pizza nila.
Pero wala!
You deserve Greenwich Bacon Overload. Angat na angat ang bacon na bacon taste. Our baconest pizza. Babalik ka pa sa dati?
Asa pa? Bakit pag sa loob din niyo, amoy kulog?
Kaya kaya to ng Ariel?
Matapos labhan ng damit, pinatiyo sa mga selyadong box. Sa pagtanggal ng nanuot naman siya, kuha mo ang better freshness with Ariel. Agree kami. Ariel!
Downy Sweetheart, ilabas ang sweetheart mo sa bagong bango. Downy Sweetheart ko, oh oh, 5 piso, oh oh. Downy Sweetheart ko, oh oh. Try nyo!
I strengthen my hair like I strengthen my body.
Because when hair is strong, it can stay smooth. The all-new Pantene Silky Smooth Shampoo. Its pro-vitamin formula fights frizz, giving hair the strength to be smooth.
Because strong is always beautiful.
New Pantene Silky Smooth Care.
When overeating leads to heartburn and indigestion, take Gaviscon Double Action. It neutralizes excess stomach acid and forms a protective layer in your stomach. Gaviscon Double Action, dual relief from heartburn and indigestion.
Hey you! Weather change giving you a scratchy throat? Take Strepsils! Strepsils has a powerful formula that can quickly soothe throat irritation. Strepsils for a dry, itchy, raspy, scratchy throat.